Hello, it's Simcraft here, or Simball is my username at geocaching.com, and we are here on the reserve at it's called Spittleful, which is over there. There's a big hill. It's an ancient site where our ancestors used to live, or the Neanderthals probably. And this cache I like because it's called Lost. And first of all I thought, oh, is it lost in that heather? No, it's actually by this tree. I think, yeah, it's an oak tree. You can tell by the leaves. Look, see that leaves, autumn leaves. If you look around, you'll see something unusual. If you zoom in, can you see anything? Is that a cone? But you wouldn't have a cone by an oak tree. So my theory is we're going in. I'm grabbing it. And what's that? Right, in case there's any muddles about, I'll bring it out of area in case they know find the location. The idea, muggles actually, by the way, are people who don't do geocaching. There's a couple of muggles coming now. Can you hear them through the gate? Over there. Better be quiet. I'll just open this quietly while those people walk past. Hope you can hear me. There, and inside there's a little logbook which I'm going to sign now. Actually, in the distance you can see the smoke. They're doing something on the reserve, cutting up logs. It's burning something. Can you hear the muddles? Muddles are not normally out walking there. They've just gone that way, look. Don't know if you could just see them there. I hope they didn't spot me. I came in here to hide. We're just going to sign this now. And once I've signed that, I'll go on to geocaching.com with my username. You can check me out, Simball, Simball. So it's Simon, like with a ball, so it's game, Simon Gaming. And hope you enjoyed that video, and let me know what you thought of their cache. This wasn't mine, I've got my own caches if you want to see on geocaching.com. Okay, and there's the tree on towards the left of this yellow bush. Okay, bye for now. Happy geocaching, everyone. Bye.